Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be doing a Pokemon themed chip bag. It's going to be like super simple. So to start with, I'm going to go to Insert Shapes, and of course, I'm going to go to a rectangle. I'm going to go with a simple design here, almost replicating the Pokeball, Pokemon ball, whatever. All right, let's copy and paste that rectangle onto the bottom. Matter of fact, no, we don't want to paste it. We're just going to leave it plain and white. This middle part we want to be black, so let's change that color to black. Bam, there we go. Okay, now let's get this Pokeball, bring it forward, and enlarge it. A little bit bigger than that. Alright, that's the center. Bring that up some. Trying to get this line to match up with that line. Okay, there we go. Let me bring this down just a little bit. Okay, that looks good. Alright, and then I guess, what do I want to put behind it? I could put this under it, right? No? Bring forward. No. See what this look like. Bring forward. Nope. Sorry, you gotta go. Pokeball, you gotta go too. Alright, that's what we're gonna do right there. Actually gonna stretch this all the way across the bag. Put Ash and Pikachu on the back. Let's move all that back. Alright, let's put the Pokeball on the back as well. No, let's put it down here. Put Pikachu right here. Alright, now let's insert, oh goodness. Let's see if I got some Pokemon font. Not sure if I do. Alright. I'm not liking the font so much. Or what if we, let's see if we can change the outline? Oh no, that's terrible. Alright, let's go back to the solid. That just, Alright, now see if we can do the outline. Alright, not bad. Now, of course, let's insert a border because this looks kind of crazy. What should the border color be? Yellow? Ooh, low. No, that looks terrible, huh? Let's copy. Paste it on the bottom. Alright, now let's go ahead and insert some more words. Let's say, I choose you. Put that on the back. Insert. Then, of course, you know, your regular message. Okay, so see, that was very, before you go ahead and you delete that line, you do not want that line in your, you know, your final draft. So that is pretty much it. And that's all there is to it. Very simple, very easy. The images will be on my Patreon page. I'm just trying to add some last minute stuff. Okay. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys